It's September 2025 and the heavy vehicle prosecutor is here at Kurri Local Court, so that means it's time for the real trucking crimes of Kurri. What will we learn about the law and trucks? In the first case, I don't manage to catch the actual charge. It doesn't matter because there's still a lesson that we can all learn from it. The defendant is 28 years old and was employed at a business, and the business isn't a trucking company. However, the prosecutor argues the business still has the responsibility to educate their employees. The defendant was employed as an apprentice there, however, is now unemployed. There is acknowledgement that the business is not here, it's just the former employee alone. The magistrate gestures with their hands, which I take to mean the business has washed their hands of the matter. It's acknowledged the defendant bears the burden of the offence. From what I can piece together, it's possible the defendant didn't have the correct licence to drive the heavy vehicle, and there is also an issue with a load on the truck. The defendant, who has no priors, pleads guilty. The magistrate uses their discretion and doesn't record a conviction or give a penalty, but they do grant professional costs to the prosecution, which the defendant will have to pay. So the lesson for people driving heavy vehicles with loads for your employer is check you have a current licence and training to load the truck, as you may end up with a case at Kurri Local Court. By the way, some employers do come and support their drivers. In this case, they didn't.